Welcome back to Sam's Garage, presented by NH Oil Undercoating. Sam and Doug wrap up the bumpers for the 57 Thunderbird by installing a new rear chrome bumper. The bumper is two pieces, so the guys get it assembled first before mounting it to the frame. And just like last time, they tack everything in place before welding everything completely.
So last week, Doug and I installed the front bumper, brand new in our case. We got another brand new bumper for the rear. It's in two pieces, and we got to assemble it and put it on.
Yeah, we'll just go ahead, just like yesterday, Sam. We'll go ahead and put everything together onto it, then we'll have to mock everything up so we can get it in the proper position. But the front bumper came out absolutely wonderful, and I'm sure the rear will too.
It's going to look really good and really finish off this rear end. You forgot what it looks like with the bumper on there, you know?
Yeah, you know, the bumpers on these cars, that big chrome that they did back in the days in the 50s, it looks wonderful.
I'm glad you were able to find it set.
Yeah, me too. We're getting ready to put the bumper together. It's a two-piece bumper. And so we're just looking at everything, getting all of our nuts and bolts set up, and then we're just going to go ahead and start to assemble.
You guys want to make sure that when you're using your hardware, you have a flat washer on the head of the bolt, then you have another flat washer, then your lock washer, and then your nut. It's very important you do this because you don't want these things to vibrate off.
We're just getting all the brackets all set up, and then we're going to go ahead and put it on the car, make sure it's going to fit where it needs to, then we're going to go ahead and clean the metal up, and then we'll weld it in position. What we did is we lined the bumper in, and then after we lined it, we used a set of C-clamp to make sure that the bumper was in the proper position. We looked at it from a lot of different angles to make sure it's exactly what we wanted. Then we tacked it. After you tack it, look at it again before you weld. You always want to tack before you weld, because if there's something not quite right, you can grind it off and reposition it. So we tacked it, looked at it, checked it, everything looked good. Then Sam went ahead and welded it. Now I'm going to put a little paint on it just to protect it from rust.
We are really taking care of this Thunderbird project. This rear bumper looks really good. What do you think, Doug?
I think it looks absolutely fantastic, Sam. You know, after going through what we went through on the front bumper, trying to get everything, this second bumper went so much easier. We had everything laid out. We didn't make any mistakes putting it together. It came out really nice.
Yep. And this is a OEM old school refurbished bumper, so it's going to have some bends in it. It's not going to fit totally great. If you have an 1/8 or an inch, quarter-inch gap here and there, it's okay. Don't beat yourself up trying to line it up perfect.
Yeah, because when they made them, they stamped them back in the day. Everything didn't quite fit like it does today. The way it came out, it really came out nice.
Replace your hardware, use washers, make sure nothing comes out so you go down the road, your bumper stays on the car.
It's not good when they fall off.